So last day we completed till question number B, that is structured question. So now C, D, E, these three things we have to complete now. How are the resources of the narrators further drained after even having pledged a few of his wife jewels? So here we get the answer. Now what happened? Even after selling his wife's jewelry, the author had to pay rent for different reasons. He had to arrange 50 coolies, an elephant from the local temple, and a driver named Joseph. He had to give 7 rupees a day along with one-time food to the elephant. Then he needs to pay half a rupee, that means 50 paise, to each of the coolie. And further, he had to pay for the driver too. And all these things drained all his resources. What did his wife threaten he should do? Being fed up with all the activities of her husband, the wife threatened that she would go to her father's house. What did he think of the threat? The author was not at all sad or afraid of the threat. Instead, he found it better that in the time of crisis, let his wife be in her father's house. In what way did the earthquake bring the poor man relief from his predicament? The earthquake helped the poor man or the author to a great deal. It helped the road roller to move by its own and just enter into the well that was kept abandoned for a long time. So ultimately, the road roller entered into the well and neatly fitted into it. The author, who had been searching for a long time a place to keep his road roller, found it only because of the earthquake, and it helped him a great. Now, these three things are given according to the answer that I am speaking now, because I want these things to be written by your own. I don't want exactly my language to be followed. If you have problem, you can ask me during the live class. But basically, I want you to do these things by your own. In what way do you think the road Indian contributed to the narrator's life? The narrator was a common man, and he was living a simple life. The road railer brought in plenty of troubles in his life, as well as it taught him how to survive even in the time of distress and problem. So the road roller basically looked a kind of negative thing in the narrator's life, but actually it gave him the reason to fight and taught him how to fight in this world. Punctuate the following with the appropriate use of the capital letters, commas, quotation, and full stop. My name is Meera Khanna. My M should be capital. My name is Meera Khanna. Meera M capital, Khanna K capital. Sunday being a holiday is my favorite day. Sunday is capital, being a holiday, comma, is my favorite day. Who are you? Asked Sania. Who? W capital, then within quote, question mark, then quote. Asked Sania. Who are you? Question mark, quote, asked Sania. Single quote. Good, said the teacher, I like your work. Good within quote, G capital, said the teacher, comma, quote open, I like your work. The Titanic continues, the T capital, Titanic T capital, continues to hold the attention of its viewer each time it is screened. Viewers, comma, and screen one full stop. Here also you should give one full stop, here two, and here also. Seema, Radha and Ganesh are siblings. Seema is capital, Radha R capital, Ganesh G capital are siblings, full stop. So suffix is a syllable which you use at the end of the word in order to get another word. And prefix, it is used at before the particular word. Pre means before. By adding the suffix ISE, the word sympathy is sympathize. So you can use sympathy and sympathize, two are totally different. Sympathy is noun while sympathize is verb. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate words derived from the one given in the bracket. Countless patriots gave their lives for the freedom. Next. He is nothing less than a human computer making complicated calculation accurately. Should be treated as stepping stone to success in future life. Failure. Next. People realize their mistake after committing a crime. The judge caused pandemonium in the judge, it should be judgment. So this is done. A word which is nearly the same in meaning as another word or phrase is called synonym. Now match the word in column 1 with their synonyms in column B. So here you go. Provided, then fancy. So provided will take this one. Supplied. Next, fancy. Imagine. Next, engaged. Employed. Next, glee means joy. Next, pandemonium, chaos. Fresh, new. Last one, disappear, vanish. So here you can see these are marked. You can do in the same way using a pencil. Adjective phrases. Phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective. He is popular politician. He is a politician liked by people. So popular means liked by people. The adjective popular describes the politician. Similarly, liked by people describes the politician. So replace the highlighted adjective phrase in the sentence below with adjectives of the same meaning. So the hermit lived in a hut made of wood. So we can write wooden hut. Wooden hut. We walked on path covered with sand. So we walked on a sand covered path. She has performed several deeds of great courage. So instead of great courage, we can write courageous deeds. He led a life devoid of happiness. So instead of unhappy, we can write unhappy life. These stationery items are of no use today. So you can write useless today. We have to change the order of this sentence also at the same time. Now similarly here we have adverb phrase. Okay. Now he studied abroad, it is adverb. She studied in a foreign country, adverb phrase. He answered my queries very rudely. Now rudely, this one I have to change into adverb phrase. So I can write rude manner. He was a superstar then. Then means at that time. He hopes to return to her country soon. Soon it is written, so we write as quickly as possible. The teacher spoke angrily to her errant student. Spoke with anger. They were the first to get there, at that place. A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. To be generous is a beautiful trait. What is a beautiful trait? To be generous. I enjoy playing cricket. What I enjoy playing cricket? The teachers gave her what she wanted. It is difficult learning. Meaning of such poem. She loves eating fruits. So all these can be answered. What she loves? The teachers gave the what? I enjoy what? The difficult learning is what? Raja desire is to be a doctor. What is Raja's desire? So we will get the answer, and that is the noun phrase. So here you conclude the chapter. What I want, you should write down all these things provided here. Now speaking, writing and listening, that cannot be done now, since these are related to normal class, not in online classes. So it cannot be possible presently. When it will be done later on, we will have individual viva or discussion. Individually you will ask to do so, speak so that time we will do those part. Thank you, children.